Hey guys, dito tayo ngayon sa Clearwater Beach Resort sa San Roque, Northern Samar. Tara guys, pasukin natin kung ano meron sa Clearwater Beach Resort dito sa San Roque, Samar. Kaya meron silang ano dito. Meron silang tindahan. Ayan. Vlog sa YouTube. Ayan guys. Pasukin natin ang ito po yung sa loob dito sa Clearwater Beach Resort sa Northern Samar. Yan po, meron po silang mga cottage dito. Marami po silang cottage. Yan, CR. Ito yun. Yan. Ito po. So yung pagdating namin dito ngayon, may ano sila, free yung entrance dito guys. Maganda dito mag-relax, maligo. Talagang ano, tingnan nyo guys, napakalawak yung kanilang ano dito, yung dalampasigan. So yung katabi dito sa Clearwater, meron ding ibang resort magkatabi lang. Yan. Ito po yung dalampasigan niya. Napakalawak. Ito po. Sa mga gusto pong pumunta, dito lang po yan sa Northern Samar. Ito tayo dito sa lang dagat. Ayan. Yan po yung dagat dito guys. Sa Northern Samar to ha. Sa San Roque, Northern Samar. Ayan. Ito. Ang lakas ng alon ngayon. Ito siya. Ito po. Lakas ng alon. Talagang wow! Napakalakas ng mga alon guys. Ayan, mga bata na naliligo. Hi! Lakas ng alon. Oh!
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever.
Dito guys, dito yan sa Northern Samar. Dito naman sa side nila, kasama pa doon yung ano yun, yung island, tinatawag nilang island. So pwedeng sumakay dito papunta doon. Ayan. Sakay ng bangka. So ang ganda dito kasi may ilog, tapos swimming pool, dagat. You are with nature. Yan guys. Ito yan sa San Roque Northern Samar. Ayan, may mga rooms sila dito for family, barkada, for couple. Dito yan sa San Roque. Kaya guys, kung gusto nyong bumisita dito sa Samar, particularly dito sa Northern Samar, San Roque, so maaari nyo pong puntahan dito sa Northern Samar guys. So meron din silang mga parking area kung magdala kayo ng sasakyan. Ang ganda dito kasi napakalawak yung area nila. Kung magdadala ka ng sasakyan, hindi ka mag-worry kasi meron talagang parking area sila. Andyan, kalawak parking area. Guys, yan, dito yan sa San Roque Northern Samar, Clear Water Beach Resort. Clear Water Beach Resort.